will listen to me. I don't mind being a target if you'll just listen to me.
Hey, you look like a Spanish omelet.
Wait a minute. Make it fast and make it good.
I slipped the nifty about the rhythm of the salad and the leap of the dance.
I was discharged this morning, too.
Wait a minute. Pipe down. Give him a chance to talk.
Yeah, tell him the one about mathematics is more important to life than meat and drink.
Anybody else want to listen? All right, John.
You regard me as your enemy, don't you? I'm capital and you're labor. That's the way you see it, isn't it? Well, it isn't as simple as all that. Let me tell you who our stockholders are.
I don't fall for it, suckers. It's bang night.
Is there anyone here who owns any colossal stock?
I have a few shares.
Come here. Here you are, men. There's your capitalist. And there's a streetcar conductor in Denver. A bricklayer in Chicago. A soldier's widow in Memphis. 30,000 of them. Their savings built this plant. And what's happening now? A small group of financial tricksters headed by Ivan Nassau is trying to close it. Well, the stockholders can't afford to see it closed, any more than we can. There's no trouble here that a good picture won't cure. Mr. Quintain tells me that we can have a smasheroo in Sex and Satan if we can only finish it. We can expose Nassau, we can save the studio and our jobs. So I'm asking you for 48 hours work. I have no money to pay for those 48 hours, but I pledge you my word.
I can't give you anything. Quiet!
I know I'm doing this very badly, but won't you please try and understand? Because it's vitally important to us all. Do as I ask, and I pledge you my word that I will convince the stockholders that we are entitled to an interest in this business that we have saved. Let's not sit down. Let's stand up and fight.
Yeah, well, can we hold on? Nassau will have the lawn.
Of course he will. But there's 3,000 of us. We won't let the law in.
Get the speeches and let's go home.
Now, Mr. Quintain needs carpenters, electricians, all of us, including the gorilla, for 48 hours. What do you say, gentlemen?
What do you say, juices?
Hey!
Hey!
How about it, Grips?
Hey!
I own the gorilla. The gorilla says yes.
Hey!
We'll show them a real fight.
Fight on! Poor old Notre Dame!
Mr. Potts, in my youth I learned an axiom, that a straight line is the shortest distance between 2 points.